is the Atlantic side.
Ah.
Yeah. Very good for surfing. On the eastern side, you get the Atlantic. It's one part. The name says it's all the way to the bottom of
that jutting out part.
Yeah, you can see there is a building, like how many story building, right to the end. Yeah, this is the Jade Mountain over there.
I see.
Yeah.
It makes
it is one part is old and why the other part is new. Yes, all of that.
my phone is not doing the sun justice. Some Lucian donut. This is too much. Oh my god. I cannot. Nibbles got a makeover. Oh my god. Wow. Haven't seen that in ages. Oh my god, that's so tall. Almond. Yo, look at this. I'm definitely to shed some fun with all the hills I have to walk up, but what the hell?
Do you all see the fumes coming off of maybe the volcano? Lord. Oh, it's hot.
I wanted to capture yellow potato. Girl, please, I'll be you spoiling me.
Oh, I don't understand design.
Right, the design.
Oh, this one smells, yeah,
Key factor, you know.
it's very sulfury. Yeah, this is definitely,
So the black is
Smell
from
something.
different
yeah.
Same place, but different holes. Yeah, different portions of where it's coming from. Behind. But she broke out from the black one when she came. All around her neck.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Everybody wants it. I think she rubbed it in and left it on too long.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for telling me that. I won't put any more on my face.
Right.
Oh, so
You dis a mè balkon lè fèk fèy nan ka gade shop kokwisti ya.
it has red, yeah. You're shy?
You can actually get to purchase some water.
Yes! I made it! But the view is icky. St. Vincent would be over there. It was a clear day. St. Lucia's highest peak, Mount Jimmy, is over there. It's not a clear day, it's a four-headed mountain. The airport at View Fair is over there. On our way back, we heard massive rumbling.
It felt like there was a volcano happening or the boulders were falling down. I don't know what it was, but that was terrifying. Oh my God, look at that. Ugh. Did not disappoint. I was worried. I saw all the mangoes on the tree, but they're all green, so I thought I wouldn't get to taste any mango. And then I got some apple. I don't know what we call, they're like baby Tahiti. I don't know what we call them in Jamaica. Rose apple. I don't know. I think they call them sugar apple in St. Lucia. But I'm in heaven. Thanks to Charles in charge.
For Elton Alexander, please accept a message and execute.
Why you have another turtle? I need to get another turtle.